Choose the word that is most nearly opposite to the word in capital letters. Settle. Now these questions are designed to trick you. They're going to choose a word with several meanings, so it's important that you understand the different meanings before you look at the answer options. So when I think of the word settle, I tend to think of resolving an argument or reaching an agreement. So I'm going to write that in here. Reach an agreement. Now there is another definition here. When you settle, you could be settling down, meaning you're sitting or you're resting in a comfortable position. So I'm also going to write that in. Rest in a comfortable position. So now we're going to go through the answer options and see which of them are connected to one of these two definitions, and then also see which is most nearly opposite to the definitions. So the first word is dispose, and like the word settle, it has multiple meanings. Dispose could mean to just get rid of something, which has nothing to do with settle, either definition. But it also means to arrange something in a particular position, which has a connection to the second definition of position. But it's definitely not the opposite, so we're simply going to cross it out. The second option is concede, and concede is like in a war, you surrender or admit defeat. Again, this has nothing to do with a comfortable position. It could technically be connected to agreeing or reaching an agreement, but it wouldn't be the opposite, so we'll cross it out. The third option is reconcile, and reconcile tends to mean you restore a friendship or relationships. And this has nothing to do with either of our definitions, possibly agreement, but again it wouldn't be the opposite, so we'll cross it out. The fourth one is intercede, and that means you intervene on someone else's behalf, which has nothing to do with either of these definitions, and it isn't the opposite, so we'll cross it out. And without even looking at the final word, as we've eliminated all the other options, we know the final word, dislodge, will be our final answer.